Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you install Siri 2.0 on your iPhone. So guys, if you want to install Siri 2.0 on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. First of all, you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to open settings in your device, and now scroll it below and tap on general and then tap on software update, and from here wait for some seconds, and from here you have to simply install iOS 18 in your device. So as if you are not running iOS 18 on your iPhone, then you will not get Siri 2.0 on your iPhone. So guys, first of all you have to simply download and install iOS 18 on your device, and after this Siri 2.0 will be installed automatically on your iPhone. So guys, first of all go to software update and update your device to the latest version iOS 18 and install it in your device, and then go back and restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, do this, and after this Siri 2.0 will automatically be installed in your device as well. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.